Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. I know this is a question that a lot of you have been asking, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Venmo? Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. How to create a Venmo account. If you don't already have a Venmo account, you can create one for free by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app installed, you can create an account by entering your name, one email address, and phone number. 1. TheBBCiPlayer.com. TheBBCiPlayer.com. How to link your bank account to Venmo. Once you have created a Venmo account, you will need to link your bank account to it. This will allow you to transfer money to and from your Venmo account. To link your bank account to Venmo, go to the Settings tab and select Bank Accounts. Then, enter your bank account information and click Link. How to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. Now that you have a Venmo account and your bank account is linked, you can receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. Here are the steps. Log into your Venmo account. Click on the Activity tab. Select the transaction that you want to receive money from. Click on the Deposit button. Enter the amount of money that you want to deposit. Click on the Confirm button. The money will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. I hope this video has helped you learn how to receive money from Venmo in Nigeria. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will also be adding a link to a blog post that I wrote on this topic in the description below. So, be sure to check that out as well. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.